Hello everyone, good morning. Let's taste it. Yummy. Hello everyone, good morning. Hello Friday. Today is July 21. At nakabili tayo ng seedless watermelon. Eto, this is the favorite of my niece, Arajin. Gusto ka watermelon na?
Butang.
Oh, butang. Oh, butang. Kay mukhaon na siya. Butang mo na butang. So, let's open. Ayan guys. So, let's cut. And this is seedless guys. This is 250 pesos. One piece of watermelon. Look at that! How yummy it is. And let's taste it. Pero guys, hindi pa ito malamig. Masarap kasi ito guys pag malamig. So, pero bago pa man natin ilagay sa fridge, titikman na natin. Ayun, nanghingi na yung ating pamangkin. My favorite pamangkin. Arajin. She wants now to eat, even still not, hindi pa malamig. Because this is her favorite, but let's taste it. Yummy. Nam, yummy. Lami? Lami, anak? Oh, that's her favorite fruit. Watermelon. And ilagay natin sa fridge para masarap. Kasi masarap na siya, matamis, pero mas lalong masarap pagka malamig. So, dahil matamis, titikim ano uli. Yummy. At ilagay natin sa fridge kasi para lalong masarap. Yum. Yummy? Lami? She's speechless guys. Hindi na makapagsalita. Bidabi? Lami na? Hi, hello guys, hello guys. Dali.
Yes.
Hello guys. Anak nang butang sang watermelon ba na? Hello guys. Ano bi?
Yes.
Adi ato bang dali. Hello guys. Hello guys. Beautiful eyes bi. Aju. Flying kiss bi, flying kiss. Flying kiss dali, tarungan flying kiss. Dali tarungan bi.
Ba.
Sige. Continue eating na. Ayan, bye-bye guys.